Turn on my phone. Oh, what kind of number in my cage? 211.
6 and 3.
Okay. Still don't know if it's alive after all these years.
I'll copy that. Oh, turn. And then just copy that. Yep, now click in. And then comment. Click in it.
So then I used to the scrap by your piece. And then
Send. And then find it. And then pin.
Knox. Where people them there? Where the kings and the queens them
Good
there?
evening, kings and queens. Wagwan. Big up.
What a guan, what
Happy
a guan.
Thursday.
Happy Thursday. I'm gonna sit up. Oh, Sandy K. Wagwan, queen. What's
Sandy
going
K.
on? Oh no, come on
Patricia.
in. Patricia, Wagwan, Patricia.
Wagwan.
Happy Thursday.
Happy
Move your
Thursday,
glass,
dear.
please.
Sorry.
Oh, yeah. Happy Thursday, happy Thursday, happy Thursday. Let me see. Audrey Biggs, good night. Good night. What's up? Come on in. Come on in. We'll come out
Hi, Wagwan.
Hi,
Good evening.
Wagwan. Wagwan. Margaret.
Good evening. Happy
Good
Thursday
evening.
to
Happy
you too.
Happy Thursday. And
Love you
to
too.
both. Oh, love. Enough love to you too. Enough love. What heap of love. What heap of love. What heap of love. What heap of love. Oops. Everybody up to everybody good. Everybody good. We're good. We're good. We finally made it on. Yes.
Yeah.
We're having some storm out here. Yeah.
Yes.
And especially over the weekend. It's supposed to storm tomorrow. Yeah, Miss Laurel Guy Gibson, Wagwan.
Laura,
What's going on,
Andy.
Queen? Andy.
Kay.
Kay, what's going on?
Marcia.
Marcia. Maureen.
Big up, big up,
Big up yourself. Melissa. Good night,
Wagwan.
Queen. Welcome, Queen. What a go on? Everybody good? Yes. Everybody good.
Hope everybody's had a blessed Thursday.
So, I can say vanilla new chest. Yeah, look at vanilla
Hold
chest.
on, let me stand up.
Yeah. You know, so when I wait for crowd. Yes. Look at vanilla new chest. Yes.
Don't be a hater.
Okay. That's vanilla boobs. Yeah. Those are vanilla new titty.
Pinky.
Pinky, go on. Yes. So tonight, we came out. Yes. And as you can see, vanilla titty. We're out here. Yes, representing the big boobs, girls, queens.
No. I know boobs. A titty.
Titty, okay, all right.
We're out here representing the big titty woman.
Yes, we're out here tonight.
Yes, man, they're going with the thing, Patricia.
Yes,
Yes,
we're out
man,
here
you
for represent the big titty queens them tonight.
Yes.
It's all about the big titty.
The big
vanilla.
titties.
Yeah, vanilla.
Yes.
I almost say big titty. Yes. Titty. Yes.
Yes.
It's all about the titty tonight.
Titty.
Yes.
A titty whistle.
Titty whistle tonight.
A big titty whistle.
Yes.
Yes.
So, whether you have slippers, whether you have sneakers, yeah, whether you have wedges, you know, yes. Flip-flop, yes. Long boots, yes.
Whatever it may be, yes.
It's all about it tonight, yes. It's all about it tonight. Sashira, good night. Yes. Big titty up and running
yes,
straight.
man. Big
That's
titty.
how I say.
A big titty we say.
Big titty It's all about, me they have to put nothing in a for me own, for me them naturally big. You understand? Yes, man. Titty feed the world. You understand?
You have all different flavors of titty.
Yeah, titty run the world. You understand? Titty feed the world. Yes. So it's all about titty tonight. Yes. Sandy can't laugh. It's all about titty tonight. Titty feed baby. Titty feed big people. Yes. So it's
titty feed man.
Titty feed man. Yes, everybody miss a man. We are confused before.
Yes, man.
Titty feed big people. You understand? Grown man.
That's right, Curly. Spike heel.
Yeah, a spike heel. All right. So when your titty turn up, a spike heel them there. You understand? So we have spike heel titty. We have slippers titty. Me can't make for me in a spike heel. Yeah, for me not too bad. A spike heel with the heel kind of, you know, heel kind of rub down, kind of walking, going with the heel.
You know, you have the long boots where they sag down some.
Yeah, for me one can do all the long boots. When I lay down for my back, you do long boots. You understand? Yeah, what titty.
For your titty can do split.
For me titty them flexible. You understand? For me titty can do all kind of magic. You understand?
Yes, man. Big titty run thing.
Big titty. It's all about titty tonight.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So, I want to be proud of the titty. You understand? Whether them are pebbles or whether them are basketball, whether them are high heel, whether them are long boot. You understand? It's all about the titty them tonight. Nobody not supposed to make her feel bad about a titty. Because titty feed the world. Yes. You understand? It might hurt when you use it feed baby, but when a man know to angle it with care. Yes. You understand? Yeah. Titty will make you want to fly.
Yes.
You understand?
Enough to make you feel good.
Yeah. Titty work magic. You understand? So I don't want to walk around and make nobody make you feel bad on a titty. You understand? It's all about a titty. Be proud of your titty. You understand? Whether them sit high, whether them sit low. When they sit low, you just they can rest something on it. You understand? It can't turn pillar. Yeah. A whole heap of things titty can do. Titty can be a pillar. Yes. You understand? Yes. Worse if your titty have feelings in it. Nothing like a titty with feelings in it. The only way you're not supposed to feel good about your titty is if you're not no feeling in it. But once you have feeling in your titty, you should be proud of your titty. Your titty ain't nothing for nobody use against you.
Correct.
Yes.
Yes.
You understand me? My titty them have chocolate milk in them. Yes, strawberry milk. You can get some Lasco if you want. You understand? For me own them have champagne in them too. Yes. Anything you want.
Strawberries in them.
Yeah. Yeah. All kind of things in my titty them. You understand? Yes. When I feel forget tipsy, titty do it. You understand? Because for me titty have all mix alcohol in it too. Yeah, and a milk alone they carry. You understand? Everything in my titty. So I want to proud on a titty. You understand? Yes, like myself, for me titty them can be spike heel pumps. Me use the push up and pumps. When me lay down, them can be boots. You understand? Me titty them flexible. Someone love up on the titty them. Yes. Be confident with the titty them. No make nobody make you feel bad about the titty them. Yeah. Like me say, titty feed the world. Titty still a feed.
All the world.
Titty, you can't be too old. Forget some titty. You understand?
Titty feeds all nations.
All nations.
Yes.
Been fed by titty.
There's no discrimination by titty feeding.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Love the titty them, man. Love up on the titty them.
Yes.
Yes.
Be proud of your titty.
Be proud of your titty.
Yes.
Your titty can't set on fire. You should be proud of your titty if you can't melt your titty. You understand? If your titty can't melt, you're alright.
Right.
You're good. You have everything to be proud of. Nobody can light your titty them on fire. Yes. Nobody can juke your titty them and then bust. You understand? So be proud of your titty. It's a titty fest tonight. Yeah? Yes. What's a share about share the life? Yes. I I want you to be proud on a titty, the queens. For that joke aside, it might sound funny. But you have people who want people to be ashamed of what God blessed them with. You understand? God bless you with 2 nice big titties. Love up a titty them.
Or 2 smaller
ones. Or 2 pebbles.
Yes.
Yes. You know
no matter
what I mean?
what the size is.
No matter what size is, love your titty. Love everything about you. God no make no mistake when He make you.
None.
You understand?
He made you just the way He wanted you.
For the queens and with the big titty like mine, God give with them. For free. You understand? Free.
Free.
And show them on power for free when people are pay to get them.
Yep.
Love them. Yes. Love up a titty them.
Love
the most them
myself.
can say, me have like a stretch mark on my titty there. Right there, so have it a stretch mark. But you know what? Me love my titty them. That no matter. It no matter. I feel me them. Yes. Me not pay to get them. Him bless me with them. Me the greedy. Me turn my front eye line and He just throw them upon me. Yeah.
And say, eh.
He say, eh. Yeah. Must be because me did love titty so as a picnic. Because I when me big, me still want titty. Yeah.
That's why you get big titty?
That's why me get big titty. Dash it on me so.
You get enough titty milk.
Enough titty, man. All when my mother breast dry out, I want to take it out and have titty see you boy. Yeah. Yeah.
You have teeth?
Crave for titty, man.
Teeth in your mouth?
Yeah. All of me have teeth, I want titty. Yeah. I want chew off my mother nipple or something. Yeah. I'm a little me greedy. No, sir. Seriously. So me tell you, love upon a titty. I mean, nobody make her feel bad about a titty.
No.
You understand? Be proud of your titty.
Stand proud and be proud.
And be
Stand
proud
and be proud.
Yes.
Yes.
Titty is a blessing. Yeah, let me say titty feed the world. And titty, and when people are hungry, them want titty.
Yes.
Ask the men them. And when they're not hungry, them want titty. Yes.
Because as long as you have breast milk, your baby can't go hungry.
Janet Davis, bless up yourself.
Janet Crooks.
It will always be alive. Exactly.
Absolutely.
You'll never get rid of titty.
No.
So no make nobody come out here and try to shame on her because I might have busty. And because they know what them have to do, them have to use them whole life saving. Forget some titty, they want you feel bad about your natural titty. You understand? Nothing wrong for the good up female, them will get up and they might have a little, you know, they not have a confidence and they might have some little pebbles and them want to enhance it. Nothing wrong with that. Just not come out here, come eat pan me big titty queen them. Don't come out here, come eat pan them because they need to pay for them. You understand? Yeah, hold your corners with your titty them where you buy. You understand?
That's
Nobody
right,
not
they
tell.
are assets.
Yes, nobody not tell you so you can't buy some titty. But when you buy titty, when you ever come out here, come fast with somebody with them natural titty for. You know, go and hold your corners with your fake titty them and be happy with them. If me see somebody out here with one real ring, and me know me get one fake one, me no hold my corners and go and turn tail and hope nobody not too pressure me like a fake ring. Go and hold my corner with it. What me go want it for this? What me go want go offer somebody with a real ring for? Huh?
And now go get it, Phil.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Me not shut up my mouth and go and hide my finger. You know what I mean? I don't want to see it and lovey. But when me go on, I go offer somebody with for them real nice diamond ring for. Tell me say that no foolishness. Huh?
Right.
Yes. That's my little bit. Yes, whether you have a little bit.
That.
Yes. But you not come out here, come cuss nobody because you have a little bit. I fear that. A little bit. Take a little bit and love up a little bit. Me sure somebody appreciate it.
My one no big. But
Yeah.
when you come out here, come cuss chocolate because for a one bigger than mine.
Me see you look for me now one time I put on my blouse like you envy me and my titty. You envy me and my titty?
You may have titty tonight.
Oh, okay. You can't take your bad mindness off of me. Yeah.
I'm proud of the titty then.
Yes. But
Big
I say,
smile.
love your titty then. Yes. See, Vanilla stuck your titty talking at me. I'm supposed to say breast, you know. Yes. Good night, Karen Morrison.
Karen.
Good night. Big up yourself. But I'm just saying, whether it's breast or not, no matter what it is, not only titty, but whatever it is when it comes to your appearance, love yourself. You understand?
Yourself.
Be confident in who you are. You are unique. There's no one else like you. And you shouldn't want to be anyone else but yourself. An original will always be the best. Yes, a fake can never replace you. You understand? God doesn't make any mistake making you. I'm not saying that you can't enhance if you want to. It's up to the individual.
It's your
but
choice.
It's your choice. But love yourself. Don't let any other female make you feel like you are less than, or you're not as beautiful.
Or you're inferior to
Don't
them.
let anybody define your beauty.
No.
Yes? Be confident in who you are, whether you're big, whether you're small, whether you're in between. Love yourself. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. They can say whatever they want to say. As long as you don't believe it, it's irrelevant.
That's right. God made everybody special.
You are uniquely made. Yes?
You're one of a kind.
Exactly.
One
so
of a
whether
kind.
are
There's
your
only one of
breasts,
you.
whether are your nose, whether are your skin color, whether are your body, love yourself. Love yourself and don't make no girl think say them have one up on you.
They don't.
No. Hold up your head. Walk with confidence as long as you smell good, as long as your clothes clean, as long as you wear what you like, what you're comfortable with. Make no girl. None. Mouth cut crossway if you say anything. Words are that. Words are wind. A lot of people chat because them got a mouth. Them just chat. Chat is cheap. If you'd have to pay for it, whole heap of people would be silent.
True.
Whole heap of people would be silent.
Yep.
Love yourself. Love your big titty them. Yes. Go get them check and make sure them good. You understand? As long as you get them check and them good, embrace your titty them. As long as them not giving a back pain and you don't feel the need for go reduce them and you're healthy and good, we not care when a girl say. Yeah?
Yeah.
We not care when a girl say.
None.
None. Right? None. Yes. As long as them clean, as long as you dry under them when you shower, completely dry.
Whether them stiff, whether them sag, it don't matter.
It
They're
no
yours.
Whether them are slippers, me say, are crepe. A long time I don't hear the word of crepe. Whether them are slippers or them are crepe. Nike or Converse.
It don't
Yes.
matter.
Yes, wedges are pumps. They're yours. Embrace them. Love them. Get a nice good bra and you're good. Wear your size bra. That way you don't have extra meat on the side when you put on your bra. As long as you have nice fitting bra, you're good. Yes, you're good.
Yes, man. You can powder under them for.
And powder under them.
For
Yes.
sweating.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oil. Yes. Me use lavender oil on my body.
Massage them.
Yes, massage.
Check them.
Get
Self-
the
self-check.
best thing is to get somebody to massage them for you.
Yes, and make sure you do a self-check. Check for lumps.
Ooh, yes.
Check
Make
for
sure you
lumps.
put one hand under your head, lay down by your pillow, and do a self-examination.
Yep.
But that shouldn't prevent you from going to get
No, you
them
still have to get them
professionally checked. Yes.
But that way
Medically
it
checked,
helps you.
I should say.
It helps
Yes.
you in between when it's your time to get checked. That you know that nothing has come up in the
Yes,
meantime.
you can do self-examination and check
It's important.
your breast. That's very important. I check my boobs all the damn time.
Yep.
Yes. Yes.
I do too.
Me love me
Because
titty
you never
them.
know. And my mother was a breast cancer survivor, so I mean,
Yeah.
I check myself.
Me love me titty them. Yes, God made you the way He wants you. So love yourself.
That's
Absolutely. Exactly. Nobody
evening,
can.
Gillette.
Good evening, Gillette. Nobody can make
Somebody
you.
I call.
So how the hell them want to tell you what you should have from what you should have? Huh? Anybody can make you? Huh? Them cannot make you. So they are criticizing God's handiwork. That's what they're doing.
Yep.
Them a tell God say He make a mistake and how He made you. Yeah? And then people then realize what they're doing because it won't come down and just give them a box. You understand? I thump them in them throat. So them feel like say them not sin. But them get up every day and cuss God creation and how them look and them body. When them have to go to somebody for them take out piece of them and stuff in and stuff it somewhere else and take some plastic and stuff it somewhere else, but then get up and cuss God creation. If you want to do all of that, do it. But left God creation alone.
Yes.
Left it alone. Yeah. Left it alone. Exactly, Gillette. God don't make no mistake. And nobody can convince me that He did.
Gems, pick up
Yes.
yourself.
Big up yourself, Gems. Good night, Gems. How you doing, Queen? Yes. Love your big breasts, them. It's all about the big breasts, them tonight.
Yes.
Because we understand that people are attacking people over the size of them breasts when they don't have any business in doing so. Not when you're walking around with plastic, yes, or some body parts stuffing in your breast when it belong there.
That weren't naturally put there.
Right? You don't get up and cuss what God made. Yeah, something natural. Yeah, something organic. Because like me say, me have milk in a for me them strawberry, chocolate, vanilla. And if you want some Laska in there too.
Full of flavor.
Full of all different flavor. Yes. Yes. Breasts fed the world. And it's still a feed up until today.
That's right, they're yours.
Big man want it.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
And nothing feel good more than when you know we sup on it right in the name
Right.
of Jesus. I'm just saying. Yes. Yes. Tashi, big up yourself. So whether you have a little pebbles, you understand? God, when He touch you, I'll nip with His tongue, Jesus, and spin it around. The name of Jesus. Master Baker, go back, man. Go back around, sir. You understand? As long as they know if it treat it right. You understand?
Massage it.
Yeah, you know what I mean? When he massage.
Yes, man, they're full of flavor tonight.
Like, baby, we're going to drag you and hurt you. You know what I mean? When you know, you have adults who love breasts, titty, up until today. As long as they know if it treat it right. You know what I mean? And I have no hooligan in them when they are sucky. You understand? But it can be the best feeling in the world. If they know if they massage you with the tongue. You understand?
Yes.
Yeah. You make you start saying, when I see heaven someday, free from all heartaches and pain. Ooh.
Woo!
Up your name hot until now. In the name of Jesus. Can I? Yes! Our nice talk. Make you hear them all turn over. You know what I mean? No, for massage you right when you have the power, the power in your tongue, what that it takes, because it takes a certain kind of skill.
It does.
You can't go like a hooligan and want to bite off somebody's nipple. I want to make talk to King if you know the fire. You can't come with no hooligan self and want to bite off people their nipple. You understand? Yes. Take your time, man. Take your time. Take your time.
Be gentle.
Yeah, be gentle. You can't give like a soft bite, but nobody go on like you want near me like a grape. Yeah, he nipple on a grape. You understand? Yeah. For them one they will love grape. I know grape.
Come off, you know, they're stuck on there.
Yeah, they talk about it like you want to just yam them off and take it deeper with you. No, we don't want that hooligan style around here for me queens. You understand?
Take time with it.
Take time with it. Treat it with respect. Yes. You understand? Yes. Worse if the queen them have kids. Remember, say kids already suck on them, you know, and she give you a blind. For you get a little something. And come with your hooligan self. You understand? Yeah. The hooligan and the food.
You have to take time with them.
Take time with them. Be gentle with them. Use your tongue and massage them. You understand? Let me say if you want to
kiss them up.
Yeah, if you want to get a nice like a soft bite, but not young your teeth them in there, you understand? No.
You're not supposed to leave no teeth mark.
A teeth mark of your left in there. No. You understand? It's called pleasure. Yeah. Yes, pleasure. Yeah.
You don't want nobody for bite, though, so you don't bite.
Yes, sir. Pleasure. Yeah. Be gentle with the things there, man. Don't be a hooligan.
Take time.
Yeah. God. You know you get dinner already, but Jesus.
I get still craving.
Still craving. Yeah, tell them for that. Still craving.
Still craving. Can't get enough.
Craving. You know why you have the nipple left.
No. Yeah. Don't want to take it all one time.
Take it all up.
You don't want to leave anything for one next time.
Yeah, queen, make sure you don't give no titty then to not crave a man like that. You understand?
No,
yeah.
man.
And if a man wear dentures, make sure he take out every last one of them before you make him come nibble by your titty. You understand? Because some of them have some damn sharp teeth and come bite off your titty there. If you don't know what I'm do, you understand?
Well, you never know. Maybe the gums are hard too.
Licking across the head because precious thing. A precious thing, man. You understand? Yes. Yeah, man, done the whole session. In bite it up, done the whole session.
They have feelings.
Yeah, man, one lick in her head.
Yes.
One lick in her head, box him in her head, man. No. Yeah, have to protect your, you know, titties. It's all about protecting the titties too. You understand me? You don't want no old hog. If you come, yeah, give me a little.
Yeah, say, hey. Yeah. You're going too hard there.
Yeah.
I mean.
No, give no hog on the titty.
You're that hungry if you're going to the kitchen.
Yeah, titty is not for hog.
No.
That's why it feed baby. You know what I mean?
Yes.
You be gentle with it. And if a hog.
Yes.
And if a hog. Yeah.
Babies are gentle.
You're right. So that's why I start from with baby.
Like
you understand?
Yes.
And yeah, give them a little feeling, a baby them all come like a hog. You know what I mean? Come like a dumpling, then come for them. Not nobody with that. Not in it. And a dumpling.
No.
Yeah? No, and a dumpling.
No.
Yeah. An ice cream supposed to be licked nicely. You understand? Jesus of mercy.
Yes.
Yeah, nicely. Lick it nicely. Take time with it.
You see when the ice cream start to drip and you have to lick it for making a drip.
Right.
So you do the breast.
I saw you do it.
So you have to do the breast. Lick it and take time with it.
Okay, take time with it.
Yeah, you're not supposed to rip it off like you're biting a piece of steak.
And squeeze it. And squeeze it hard. You know what I mean?
You're like, hello?
Yeah, hard squeezing. No. But we back somebody if they tried it and things that to me. Yeah, all hell I got broke loose. Yeah. It was session I got over. Because me not like nothing. Me not like nothing animalistic. You understand? No. Me too dainty for them things there. Me not like nothing animalistic. No bother with me. No, not with me. Me too dainty. Take time with me.
That's
me
right.
coming like crockery. Yes. Yeah, me crockery. Yeah, me fragile. Yes. Everything's supposed to be done with with love and care. You understand? No, me not in a
No, man. It can be all types of flavor ice cream, you know.
Yes.
Yes.
Vanilla, I can't. Them I look for your titty.
You want to see the titty them?
Yeah, see titty them there. Yeah, titty them. We're out here celebrating. Big titty celebration big titty tonight. Yes. And show me have already. Me don't need forget none but vanilla. Go in the laundry room and help herself to a couple pieces of laundry and toughen her.
Yes.
All my name for sister, me for make them believe they're real. Oh Jesus. Okay.
Don't.
So what exactly in the where you take a towel? Our mic boxers, outside washing machine.
I don't even know.
Jesus, Savior, pilot me. In a dryer, you go vanilla. Couple t-shirt, go that in
there.
there.
Take up some stuff and shove it.
T-shirt in your chest.
Anything could have in there.
My boxers could have in your chest.
Anything could have in there.
All one of my panty could have in your chest.
Could have in there, yes.
Jesus.
You never know. Yeah, you never know.
No,
Not to take time.
You do all of that forget titty. That's why me are telling them
Yes.
the queens them with the big titty them. We have everything to be grateful for. When I have to stuff now, when I have to put now boxers in our brassiere. When I have to put a towel in our brassiere. With them right now have to put
But
no
you see
drawers in our brassiere.
But you see how them stand up stiff to her.
Yeah, then I put on my panty and my boxers make them stiff also.
Stand up stiff.
Yeah, and towel. Towel in there, man. Towel in there. Yeah, towel in there.
Then stiff.
Yes. Towel in there. Missy, towel in there, man.
Them firm tonight. Them firm.
Yes,
Them real firm.
Then the most firm. Towel
Yes.
in there.
Yes.
Yeah,
Woolly
towel
sitting
in there.
in there.
Yeah, that's my towel stuff up in there. Yeah. Then I was size brassiere that now.
I didn't even know.
It look like a H cup. Mm-hmm.
It could be a Z
big.
for all I know.
It big.
It
Nobody
big.
not go want suck pan them. They pay cloth. Them all suck pan. Pay material. Thank God, ladies with the big chest. Thank God, they don't have to suck pan no material. We have flesh in a few with brassiere. Yes. We have milk, real milk up in
Well,
there.
you know, Clifford,
Yes.
sorry for you tonight.
Organic
These
milk.
don't have no feelings.
You have a man to watch you know.
Underneath it have feelings, but all the cushioning in between, you know.
You just make a man watch you and get excited for nothing. Then you drop them out there, them right back to flat chest.
Right back to what they were.
My Clifford can't chat to you, no time, no dear. No dear, Mike, no dear.
So go.
You have a real thing, you sit down in a cup, Mike. And a cloth in there. Yes, I understand. Me can't bother. But at the end of the day. And you know what, queens? I want 5 brave queen for calling for some credits tonight. And I want you tell me, if you have slippers, if you have sneakers, or you have high heels,
Spikes?
If you have pebbles, then you guess one number and we spin, and if your number drop out, you get some credits. We have 2 balls in here. We have number 3
and 6
and number 6.
Yep.
Yes. If you don't want to describe them as shoes, then you tell me.
A flavor.
A flavor. What for you carry? Me tell you already. For me own a chocolate. You have chocolate in there, vanilla in there, strawberry in there, Lasco in there. And liquor in there. Champagne in there. A whole heap of flavor enough for me.
Woolly Pacific.
Yeah, a whole heap of flavor enough for me.
A Woolly
So,
Pacific
yes.
in for me too.
A whole heap of sitting.
Woolly Pacific.
Whole heap of flavor.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Mine full of all kinds of
Proud
flavor
it.
tonight.
Yes. Mixed liquor enough for me. Yeah. You want a little sex at the beach? It in there. Every little thing in there. You want some rum and coke?
You want a Bahama Mama? Yeah, here's your Bahama Mama tonight.
Angeline, big up yourself, Angeline.
I got your Bahama Mama tonight.
Big up yourself, Sherda. Big up yourself. So, we're opening the phone line.
Number pin?
A number pin. Me no want to play no shy game
Buck,
over yourself.
big up yourself.
You understand? You understand? You all the way in there.
You gone? Where you gone, Buck?
Oh, Buck a
Buck
man.
said big up. Where you gone?
All right, Buck. Go learn
All
to
right.
take care of the titty them.
Gentle,
you need to
Buck,
sit down in
gentle.
there so we can tell you how to
right.
work
We
the
gotta
titty
call.
them.
We gotta
Make
call.
we hear what go on in a titty factory.
Hold on.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
Good night,
Queen.
So we want to know what go on with your titty them.
STAWBERRY.
It's all. What kind of flavor are your titty?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? Yeah, a chocolate flavor titty you have? Yes, somebody else have chocolate flavor titty. Good night, Crystal Hussein. So, all right, we have 2 numbers here. We have a number 6 and 3. Which one, Queen?
3.
All right, let's spin and see. You better lucky. A number 6, Queen. A number 6. I become 1 flavor in your titty, that's why. All right, call back.
Call back.
Good
right,
night. Yes, I become 1 flavor in your titty.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Hi, good night, Queen.
Good night. So what kind of titty you have? Strawberry titty. Lock one flavor. And one flavor there, your titty. Alright, what number?
I have strawberry with cherry.
Huh?
Lemon raisin.
Roman raisin. What? I say
What do you mean?
one.
What
No,
do you mean,
sir.
Queen?
Oh, which number you want, Queen?
Number 3.
Number
Alright.
3. Alright, I will say if you have favorite titty, I go on with nothing. Number 6. Me not think, say.
Alright,
Yeah.
try back.
Yes, so what? It's a titty affair. Alright, it's a titty affair over here. Yes. 6 she sound like a time for damn salt.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night. What kind of titty you carry?
Vanilla.
Vanilla titty you have? How you say?
Yeah.
So one flavor in a titty?
Yeah. Vanilla.
Vanilla. Alright, what number you want?
3.
Number 3. Everybody a call V3. Let's see. Alright. A good flavor titty you carry. Number 3. Who am I speaking to?
Marlene M-A-R-L-Y and Marlene Hamilton.
Alright, Marlene Hamilton. Text with your name, your ear, and your phone service.
Alright.
And take care of your vanilla titty them and be proud of them. You hear?
Yes.
Alright.
Alright.
Congratulations, Queen.
Yes.
Yeah.
Come on. Call with the titty
Hello,
them.
good night.
Hello, good
Hello, good
night.
Good night.
What kind of titty you carry? What flavor?
Roman raisin.
Roman boy.
So you have one?
You about get everybody junk. No, sir. And what number you want?
Number 6.
Number
six.
6. All right. Let's see. Number 3. Number 3,
Try
Queen.
back.
Try
Try
back. All right, gonna come. Come with the titty them. Come one, come on.
Hello, good night.
Good night. What kind of titty you work with? A slippers you have? Whoa!
What
We got beach. And what number you want? She have a slippers. Number
Alright,
3 for the slippers titty. Yes. Make we see. And number 6 drop out first, Queen. Call we back
Try
here.
back.
Alright, come in with the titty them.
Hello, good night.
Are you
Alright.
again with the Roman raisin titty? What number you want? Number 6 in the Roman raisin titty. Alright, number 6. Number 6. Yes. Who am I speaking to? R10s. Text us your name and your telephone service. You hear R10s? And,
Congratulations.
and take care of the
Take care
Roman
of-
raisin titty.
Take care of the titty then.
Alright. Titty.
Alright.
It's a titty affair. Yes, good night, Desna. Good night. Yes.
Hello, good night. See you call back.
Night, Queen.
Good
Alright.
night. Our flavor titty you say you have again?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
A chocolate, yeah.
Alright, our number you want?
6.
Alright,
Alright.
I could say chocolate have any luck, you know. Come on. We're not two in there. Oops. Alright, let's see. Number 6. Alright,
lucky.
things are going for your chocolate titty. Who may I speak to?
Kawana.
Kawana. Text with your name and your telephone service your ear and take care of your chocolate titty.
Yes, man. Take care of your titty then.
Thanks, Queen.
You're
You're
welcome.
welcome.
Yes. Or don't call even with your titty them. Yes, whether them are slippers, whether them are boots, them are sneakers.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Hey.
Hey, what kind
What
of
kind of
titty you
titty you
have? What flavor titty? Eh?
Sweet mango.
Sweet mango. Alright. We have our fruit
Sweet
titty
mango.
party
Yes.
here tonight. Alright, what number you want? For the mango titty. Eh?
2.
6 or 3?
6 or 3. It's either 6 or 3. Alright, we're spinning for 3. For the mango titty. Alright. Number 6, Queen,
Number
number
six, try
6. Try we back, you hear? Alright. Come in with the titty then. It's a titty affair. Alright, love on a titty.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
What kind of titty we work with?
Strawberry.
Strawberry! Boy! What number you want for the strawberry titty?
Number 3.
Number 3, alright. Number 3 for the strawberry
Strawberry
titty.
titty, we said.
Oh, and
Strawberry,
number 6,
strawberry
come
titty,
out.
and number 6.
Call me back with the strawberry
Alright,
titty.
keep trying.
Yeah, man. Yes, it's all about the breasts. Them tonight.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
What kind
of titty you work with?
Honey tea.
What?
Honey.
Honey. Whoa!
Honey titty shell.
Fear one sweet honey. Honey, she
Honey.
said. All right, what number you want for your honey titty?
6.
Number 6, all right. We're going to see if a number 6 come out. And number 6 come out for the honey titty.
Honey titty, you get number. You win.
Number 6, what's your name?
Sherna.
Sherna. Congratulations, Sherna. Text us your name and your telephone service, you hear? And take care of the honey titty them. All right.
All right.
Yes.
You're welcome. Take care of them.
See? Ain't it a beautiful thing? We have honey titty, Roman razor titty, all kind of titty, love on a titty. Yeah? Love on a titty.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
What kind of titty we are work with tonight?
Chocolate.
Chocolate, boy! I want a chocolate.
I want a chocolate titty
Yes.
tonight.
I want number you want for the chocolate titty. What number you want? Now listen to in our background. What number? Number 3, all right. We could save number 3. I go be the lucky one for the chocolate titty. Make we see. And number 6 come on for chocolate.
Try back.
Try we back. Why chocolate titty them a run things up in here? Vanilla, how you feel?
Me not feel no way.
Okay, me just a check. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
Good
Yes,
night.
what kind of titty we work with?
We're working with chocolate titty.
You work
Another
with chocolate titty, another chocolate titty, yes.
Chocolate titty, I go on with the thing tonight.
What number you want?
Number 6.
Number
All right.
6. All right, here we go. Number 3. Number
Try that.
3.
Try
Them
that,
not lucky
please.
with the chocolate titty at all. No, sir. Oh, no, come.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night. Yes, what kind of titty we work with?
Strawberry pineapple.
Strawberry pineapple. Whoa! Yes, strawberry. What number you want for the titty, for the strawberry pineapple?
Strawberry pineapple titty.
Number 6.
All
All right, we're spin. Let's see what come out. Number 3.
Sorry, try back.
Try we back. Only 2 ball, 50-50. It's all about the boobs, them. Yeah, so I want to love on the boobs. Whether them big, whether them medium.
Good night.
Good
Hello,
night.
good night.
What kind of titty we work with?
Pepsi and sorry beer titty.
Pepsi and sorrel cake. Titty.
Wow.
So when somebody bite off your nipple, on and off, say nothing.
No.
All right, what number you want?
Number 3.
Number
All right,
3.
3.
All right, number 3. Number 3. I must be called cake in
I
it.
must cake, because cake and I
I
have
be
mine.
called cake in it.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
who we talk to?
Patricia Labo.
All right, Patricia. We're going to do an extra one with it's a 5, but we're going with an extra one.
All right, congratulations.
Text us your name and your telephone service, all right?
Okay.
All right. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
Good
All
night.
right, what kind of titty we work with tonight?
Chocolate and vanilla.
Chocolate and vanilla! What
That's
number?
my titty shell.
What number? What number?
6.
Number 6. All right. Number 3.
Try back, queen.
Locks, number 3. No, sir. A good favor titty that she
Yes,
have, you know.
man.
Hello, good
Hello,
night.
good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
What kind of titty we work with tonight?
Good night. Blue
Blueberry.
Rock
Oh,
it.
first we hear the one that but it sound good.
Yes, man.
Blueberry. All right, what number? The one that different. What number?
Number 6.
Number
All right.
6 to the blueberry. Number 6 to the blueberry. Come on. Number 6 to the blueberry. Number 6 to the blueberry. Blueberry win. Yes. Who am I speaking to?
Alright.
Who am I speaking to?
Marcia.
All right, Marcia. Congratulations, dear.
Congratulations, Marcia.
Text us your name and your telephone service. All right, Marcia.
Okay.
All right, and take care of your blueberries.
Take care of the blueberries, okay?
All right. So yes, kings and well, me not think no king the fire. They run to backside when they hear what we talk about the breast them. They're only one
jackfruit in there too.
jackfruit. What you say? Watermelon in a for me too, you know. If you tell us if me can get fruity sometimes. Yeah, watermelon in a for me too. It made them run gone when they hear about it, Titi. But it's about my queens them tonight.
Yes.
About loving yourself. Yeah? Not only your boobs, but just loving yourself.
All of
and if you have extra large boobs or large boobs, don't let anybody make you feel bad about your boobs. They were given to you by God. All right? Love yourself.
Yes.
Tall, short, big, small, medium. You are all uniquely made, wonderfully made. All right? There's no one like you. You are an original.
God made you the way you want to be.
Yes. So love on yourself. Be confident in yourself. All right? Be confident with your big boob. Be confident with your small boob. If, like I said, anybody want to enhance them body, that's totally fine. That's their decision. But when you do it, don't come out and insult another woman because she chose not to. Because she's happy with the way God made her. Okay? Don't do that. Yeah. Because you go work pan feel boobs them and blow them up. Don't give you, no right to curse somebody that have their natural big boobs. Yeah, me? Yes.
Yep.
Leave people and them body alone.
Right.
Leave people and them body alone. And my queens, don't make nobody make you feel bad about on a shape, on a color, on a boobs, on a body, on a belly, no part of honor. You understand?
Right.
Your height, nothing.
Nothing.
Love on yourself.
All of you.
Yes?
Just the way
all that honor. Love on yourself. As a matter of fact, giving yourself a hug for me tonight. All right?
And me too.
Be confident in who you are. God made us all, and he didn't make any mistakes.
No.
All right?
We're all unique.
We're all unique. And some women, they have kids, and sometimes them breasts reduce, and they might not come comfortable the way them look. Like I said, I'm not knocking anybody who choose to work on themselves to boost them confidence. But it gives you no right to knock another woman who's confident in her own skin and the way she has been originally created.
Very true.
All right? Love on herself. Yeah?
Yes.
Because my love on her, and there's absolutely nothing you guys can do about it. All right? Me will see you back here on Sunday with the praise and worship. Just wanted to come out and to lift up, to motivate my queens and tell you guys to have confidence in who you are. Don't let nobody, when not capable, when not qualify, when not even turn good, for make you feel bad about yourself. You understand?
Right.
And whether them feel like them turn good, that's their opinion. An opinion is like an asshole. Everyone got one. You understand?
Very true.
That's what it is.
Yes.
An opinion is like an asshole. Everyone has one.
Yep.
Yeah? Another thing I came across, and I wasn't even going to bring it up tonight. I don't know why I haven't been on social media now for a few days. You know, sometime I come on and me get anti-ping and I will run and watch you in a couple minutes and then me gone, you know. I get a ping today, a Majesty was on. Mm-hmm. I'm run over, throw him up a heart, I'm gone because I've been very busy all week, right? And I don't know why. After I got off Majesty Live, I was going through, I switched to my my personal Facebook page. Mm-hmm. And on my personal Facebook page, this woman came up in my news feed, and I saw her with it's like she's doing a video, but the reason why I stopped and look is because I actually saw Auntie on the phone screen that she was showing to the camera. Uh-huh. Somebody said, okay, somebody have up Auntie. Let me see what let me see what this person I said about Auntie. Yeah. Because I thought this person had asked Auntie for forgiveness and wanted to enter back into the planker shop. The one that we were calling Sophia.
Oh,
remember Sophia? Yes. I thought this person no longer up on the internet. Right? So I'm watching, and this girl have the nerve. I play Auntie and I call her Teletubbies. Tubbies, first of all, Tubbies, she's just one person. That's plural. Teletubbies. And
if you wanted to say it properly, well, not even.
No, we're not going to tell her how to say the word.
Nope.
But me, I watch this individual, and she sound like they had a snowstorm in England a long time ago, and it built up an iceberg in her brain. Because she just sound so stupid. Mm. And the funniest thing is, I went in to look at her videos, and she has been doing videos and nobody's actually watching her. She's there talking to the camera, and she don't have an audience. Like nobody now watch her, but she dare make fun of Auntie's body. And I'm looking at her, and I'm like, are you for real?
That's sickening.
Are you for real? Yeah, the one when named Sophia becoming a say her name on my platform. But my team say she didn't got Jamaica at what me hear people are talk on the internet, so she got Jamaica at one time. I thought didn't she pass away? And she did pass away?
No.
And then she passed away. She didn't pass away. Because me shocked when me see I could have sworn she did passed on. And she didn't pass on, or somebody fear passed on. Something with passing on. Did go on. Yeah. Something did pass with passing on. Because I was literally shocked. Me then one time me not even pay attention to the page name. Me say Auntie pan the phone and me touch the player. Mm. Yeah. And that's when me notice her name. And I'm like, she didn't pass on. Her mom pass on, her mom. Oh, I never said she pass on. Oh. Because I could have swear she did gone on to glory. She didn't up on the internet no more. Oh, I never she. Okay, so your mother pass on, based on what they're saying in here. Your mother pass on, and you're there on the internet and make fun of someone else's mother and her body and calling her a Teletubbies, according to you. And you sound like there's an iceberg in your brain because you're not talk too sensible. Because I was listening to you and you say the same things 1,000,001 times. Yeah. And then I went and started looking at some of your videos them. And you just get up and repeat the same things over and over. Nobody now watching.
Like a broken record.
And lady, me could have swear you did apologize to Auntie and wanted to be a part of the planker.
I was just going to ask you
the planker nation. And we'd have to run your way. Because we run your way. And tell us that we are security at gate and we're not let you in.
Because Sophia says she can't come in.
Don't call her name pan here.
Sophia.
Oh, okay, guys. Sound like you're saying
no.
Oh,
you're not.
Okay. Yes. But she have the nerve. I look on a natural woman. Yeah. And she filter up to the brim, filter to the brim, like filter to the brim. You can't get any more filtration than that. Me have to make up one word. Filtration than that. Yeah? And she just act like she's not all there. Nobody don't know her family them. Nobody don't know nobody for her. If you can't tell them to come see about her. Because she not write it. She's not right. She's not all there. Me, I tell her no. She's not all there. She's not all there. She just sit down and watch Auntie dance. All the lady was doing is dancing. And she did it discriminate on her body. You understand? Just and she call herself pretty palm both sides. Honey, you're retarded palm all sides. Because a grown-ass woman like you, you're, as a matter of fact, them say your mother gone on to glory. You should have still a mourn for your mother. Because I know for my mother passed away so many years ago. And I can't stop mourn. And what day your mother passed on? And you dep on the internet a fast with people? Huh? You righted? Somebody need to melt down that iceberg in your brain. Because trust me, there's an iceberg in your head. Yes. Me don't say nothing about it, but I tell them I see it and I was like, huh? Me see this phone screen. She have up the phone screen. And she not talk to nobody, you know? She not talk to nobody but her. Me don't know if she have it in her head, so there was an audience there. But there was no audience. Like, she literally mad. So people can obsess with people, sir? No, sir. People can really get up and obsess with people, sir?
Yeah, I've seen some people.
She wrote an apology. Well, obviously, it wasn't written from a genuine place. Because we tell us that the video you just not too long got done. And she made reels, like 10 reels are the same thing. She not get no like on the first reel. So what you gonna make 9 other reels for?
Yeah.
You know, so sit around with you. If nobody didn't like your first reel, you think them are gonna like 9 other reels? Where you gonna make the same thing? Lady, you need help. You need serious help. Yeah. She lucky her sister was going to mob her here in Jamaica fighting over deadlift. She didn't fight over deadlift? How what you say?
No, sir.
She look disturbed. She look like mad somebody where they really fight over something for true. Truly, seriously, me not joke, people. She disturbed something.
She needs
the
some
wheels
help.
not. Me know the wheels need to turn all the way, but me realize now, say, on top of the wheel, ice develop around the wheel. Yeah, ice around the wheel.
So the wheel not move.
It not move none at all.
It froze.
Yeah.
The wheel frozen.
She did a talk to Auntie and Auntie now hear her. She talked to Auntie on the phone. And I call her Teletubby. Huh? Tell me, so this person isn't sick. You're sick. You're a sick individual. You need serious help. Somebody can... How can you just get up, a grown-ass person will have a life, and sit down and talk to somebody all the way in Jamaica, and you have her up on your phone?
Yeah, how many
I'm sure she not think about you. She don't know you.
You're not even something on her mind.
Yeah, you know, come across her mind. But you did a curse the lady and I try to body shame her. When you sit down there in a filter, you sit down there and you don't look too righted. You understand me? Islamic, how you doing, Queen? Me have to say something about it because I never seen nothing like that in my life yet. Not when I thought I've seen it all. Trust me. Me telling her.
She's not normal.
It just blew my mind. I'm like, this person for real? The woman sit down there talk to her auntie. I tell her, so she a Teletubby pan the phone where she a show with the camera. Yeah, Teletubbies. You understand me? Sick people. Sick people. How can they get up and obsess on somebody like that?
They've never met a day in their life.
And you ask her what has she ever done to you. They can't get up and give you an answer.
No.
A reason. Me just not like her because she act like this or she act like that or whatever. Those are reasons for you to...
Not that she's done something to you.
Those are reasons for you to just get up and eat somebody and be so cruel. Yeah? and I talk about the lady's body? Huh? You're a sick woman.
Sick.
You're sick. Yeah,
Something
they should have
weird.
just did bury you with your mother. Because you're not serving a purpose. Yeah. They should have just put you in a casket with your mother and send you on to glory. Because you not serve no purpose. Like, seriously, no purpose at all. To be doing that to another human being. When you just lost your mother. Don't you have family members you want to talk to and comfort since you are not mourning? I'm sure somebody, maybe a sibling, some sibling of yours still not get over it. They don't get over it as fast as you did. Because obviously you got over it super fast.
Super fast.
Yeah, to be out here cursing and body shaming somebody's mother. Don't tell me you're a mother. Who are you? You're a sick individual. You can't even speak a proper sentence fluently. It's crazy. No, my God. These people are that individual is dumb as the doorknob and Madhouse product. She is. I'm looking at her like, serious, this girl she lose some screw.
She lost a woolly.
A woolly screw.
I don't think no screws are left up there.
Nothing are left up there because how can you get up? You're not talk to nobody. Me not see no audience. You understand? And you talk and then you make a reel of the lady. You telling the lady she a Teletubbies. A whole bunch of reels. Nobody no react to, a couple people react to the first reel, and then you do a whole bunch of other reels. Something's wrong with you. Go seek help.
You need Jesus.
Yeah, seek help. Ain't nothing pretty about you. I'm just letting you know there's nothing pretty about you. Yeah,
So
you're an ugly human being.
Yes.
Yeah, to get up and do that to someone else, another human being who did not bother you. Probably don't even know of your existence. You're terrible. Yeah, you can come for me and Vanilla all you want. We're not gonna give you no time. We're not go back and forth with people when no mentally okay up here. We don't have time for that. Yeah, we heard up in the past that you dress up like Vanilla when we went to 99 and make. We not even did see that. Somebody told us about it. That's how much we tell you, so we're not interested.
No business.
We don't have time for waste from people. But it just baffles me that you just lost your mother. And baffles me as a woman. You sitting there with another female on your phone screen. You and her is not in any type of confrontation. And you just sit down there and I make fun of her body. What kind of human being you is?
Disgusting.
Huh? You're disgusting. You're despicable. Yeah, you're despicable mad girl. They need to somebody need to pick you up and carry a Madhouse. Because you're sure as hell, you're mad. Yeah, you're mad. You belong on a short bus.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You belong on a damn short bus.
Straight jacket.
Yeah, belong on a short bus.
Yeah.
They're not even looking. No, the woman not even looking at them direction. I don't know why they get up and always I got this lady with all this hate for no apparent reason.
And she not look on
them. And they don't have any shame. It's like you can't ignore them and them just be shame like, oh my God, they not pay me no mind. Them not count me. Let me just stop. No, them just keep going and going and going and going. There's no stopping, no stopping for them. Their life is pathetic because if you're in big foreign and you can find so much time out of your day to make somebody consume you and you just sit down like a mad lunatic and I make fun of a person's body when them a live them best life, when them out there I do what them have to do for better them life, when them a impact other people's lives in a positive way, then there's something seriously wrong with you. Yes, go tar out your brain because it's frozen. Go tar out your brain and put some oil on that wheel in your head and so it can spin.
Go look for the screws that you lost.
So it can turn and leave the lady alone.
Yes.
I hate when people get up and body shame people and talk about people's looks. It's disgusting. It's disgusting, especially somebody that's not bothering you, not when I trouble you. Terrible, man. He did not even looking in. They're not. That individual is a retarded. She is. She's not okay. She is not okay. Yeah, because I thought she was the one who passed on. Yeah, I heard something about somebody passing on. That for sure you how much me pay attention. Yeah, I thought she was the one who had passed on. Yeah, I know so she didn't pay no more. Yeah, I think them sing by and by for her already. I thought so. Yeah, I'm not trying to be funny, but that's the truth. I thought she was the one who passed on. I didn't know it was her mom. Yeah, so yeah. No ambition. They don't have any ambition, and when they see people with ambition, they have a problem with it. Yeah. Like anybody's fault that they don't have anything called ambition. God know if me did sell ambition, me would be a lot of me that sell some ambition too. Trust me, if it was something you could bag up and sell. It's terrible, man.
I'm stagnant.
Yeah, DMG is the shining. True. She is a star, and sometimes I just have to remind myself that she's a star and people are going to talk about her. But, and
she'll continue to shine bright like a diamond.
Like a diamond, yes, like a diamond. But, all them people there, they don't need to talk about her. Certain people don't need to talk about her, to be honest with you.
For real.
Yeah, our name should not come out of certain people's mouth.
No.
Yeah, that's how me feel. Me can't prevent it, but that's how me feel. Certain people are name not for roll off of them tongue. You know what I mean? Yes. Good night, Yvonne Powell. Them need God in them. That's the thing. That's what they're lacking. And them love get up and play gospel. Them say, because I was watching one with her. She had played the gospel song, and you can't tell she really a try. Yeah, nothing boy gospel song. She just look like retard. She just look ridiculous. Yeah, I don't know what you guys' definition of beauty is, because you can put on some wig for your head and some lipstick and because you feel like your belly flatter than somebody with a little stomach, or your thighs that might be smaller. That's your definition of beauty. You better check again. You better check again. And because you can put on some bleaching cream and bleach out your skin, you feel like you're more beautiful than somebody with dark skin. Oh, emancipate yourself from mental slavery. True. None but ourselves can free our mind. You hear? Because you no girl with lighter skin than me, don't prettier than me. You understand? Yes. No girl with lighter skin, no prettier than me. And my God, make me with my chocolate complexion, and me embrace a wall of it. Love it. Love it. Yes.
True, Julianne. Yeah. The iceberg needs to fire because it'll reach the elevator and it'll reach the top floor. Exactly.
Yeah. Yes. Some men don't know what for no definition of beauty is, because she dark skin. I call her all ugly and something there. Because she dark skin, she's a beautiful chocolate woman. Yes, she's beautiful, fluffy chocolate woman.
Yes.
Yes, with a lot of ambition and drive.
And motivation.
And most importantly, a lot of love inside of her.
Yes.
Something one just can't have, cannot possess. And that's where the bad mind is.
Yep.
Yes. Gotta learn to really love on herself. Because if a person is pretty, they don't need to come and tell you that they're pretty, because ain't no blind person watching them.
Nope.
So if you have to get up and try to force it in a people, force it on people's throat to believe that you're pretty, then there's something seriously wrong with you. A person should be able to watch you, and not just by your face, but by your personality, by your character.
But
they can say that's a beautiful person.
But you could have
and that's how me determine that auntie is a beautiful person. Not just by her face, not just by her shape, but by her soul, by her heart, what come out her mouth, or how she make people laugh. The things she does for people. To try to change them situations. That's what make her a beautiful person to me. The ear and them things there become.
But you could have a blind person watching, and just by listening to the person, you can tell what kind of person they are.
That
just
is
by
true
listening.
Too. That is true.
So
but they're acting as though all they. But listen to me finish. I'm just saying they're acting as though all of them audience members are blind.
I understand what
You
you're
understand?
saying. Yeah.
If I pay blind people are watching now, and you want to convince them, say you look a certain way, then you need to talk about it. But me know some majority of people them who are watch them can see clearly.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So there's no reason to get up and tell a person that you're pretty if you really believe in yourself that you're a beautiful person. That's trying to convince people that you are.
It's like they're
because
trying to
you know
convince
that you're
yourself.
not.
It's like they're trying to convince themselves that they're beautiful.
They're trying to convince people that they're beautiful. When you go and tell people that you're pretty from both sides, you turn your head, you're there on camera. I'm sure they can see the right side, they can see the left side. So there's no reason to tell people say you're pretty from both sides.
Right.
If you're really pretty.
If you are. Yeah.
You understand? Sin blind them too, yeah, them can't see. And you know what I'm saying? Yes, there's no reason. Yes. If me go get up why would I come in front of the camera every day and say, all right, I'm a fluffy girl? Why? That would make sense. Oh, no, can't see me. Of course, you can't see me.
Of course. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You don't need to tell somebody say you're white every time we come up on camera.
No.
Because obviously them can see.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So every day you get up, I'm so beautiful. It's just such a turn off. Confidence
Will carry you
is
far.
quiet.
Yes.
Confidence is quiet. Insecurity is loud. You hear me? Insecurity is loud. So, whether I have to get up and I try to convince people, yeah.
White chocolate?
You don't need, there are things that you don't need to convince people about in a life. If you're rich, you don't need to convince people say you're rich. Because your lifestyle is going to let them know that there are certain things you can afford. You understand?
Absolutely.
If you're pretty, you don't need to convince people say you're pretty. If you're educated, you don't need to convince people say you're educated. Because the way you speak, they're gonna know that you have some formal education.
Correct.
You understand? There are just certain things you don't have to tell people. It's just like the sky blue. There's no reason for me keep telling you that the sky is blue because what are we can't see the damn sky?
Right.
You understand? Yes. So all them people will get up every day. Oh, it's because they grudge me. They're jealous of me because I'm so beautiful. No. Nobody not jealous of you. Nobody no want to look like you. And you try convince yourself of that. You want to believe that. That get you a rose. You have to preach that to yourself. Because deep down inside, you don't believe that.
True.
You don't believe that. Yes.
Yep.
Of course, Marcia George, she's a beautiful woman. Inside and out. Yes. Inside and out. But I pay attention mostly to the beauty inside of someone. That's just me. A lot of people pay attention to the physical beauty. I pay attention to the internal beauty, and eventually I'll get around to the outer beauty.
To the external.
To the external. Because you ever meet some people that people don't find attractive, and when you get to know them people like those, they're the most beautiful person. You ever see a one handsome man with a woman where you said, damn, what am I doing with that woman there? She's not as attractive. But she's a beautiful person inside.
Yes.
And vice versa. You might see a beautiful girl with a man and you say, Lord, such a pretty girl with that man there. But he treats her like a queen.
And it's this person, and
he is a great father, great partner, just a great human being.
Yep.
Yes. Institution should make it work. Yes. You understand? So me no fears by them things. If me not go by looks, there are so many people in a family. Me not even count myself. But there's if you ever see some of my nieces, and sisters. They look like freaking models. I'm not even kidding y'all. Yes, my family mixed with all kind of race. Me have white in my family, me have Chinese in my family, me have Indian in my family. And picture them there mixed up with black. You understand? Yes. 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 None of my niece them are biracial. But beauty, me not look upon beauty, sir. It's about who you are, how you treat people.
Yes.
Your character. Yes. So that's why when I'm certain female out here, I gotta say me want look, because me want be like them and look like them, me have to laugh. Because me, when I wonder why me that bypass my beautiful nieces and sisters for come on the internet and want be somebody that's not even close. Not even look close to some of my nieces them. You understand? Not even. Yeah, me have to laugh. And my daughter, right?
Yeah.
Me not even, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Me have to shake my head.
I could say the same
When
thing.
it comes to body, yes.
My kids are, I could say, oh, well,
you understand?
Bypass my daughter from look like you. No.
Yeah, look at your daughter, stunning. You know, you
bypass my nieces them to look like you. No.
Me sit down and look at Vanilla daughter sometime and wonder, is she real? Yes, that's how beautiful she is. Yes, if you see her. Yes. Yeah. You understand? So, if you come on the internet, me go bypass all them people there. And come on the internet and want to look like somebody we're going to make up with plastic. And them foot look like ours. And then a shape good. As much as me no shape good either. But me go bypass all them young, beautiful people in my family and come on the internet and want to look like some gal.
No thanks.
Me laugh over them stuff.
No, thank
you. Understand me? Yeah. No. Melting pot of beauty in my family. I would love to have a family gathering and have all of my family there and do a video. And I'm gonna, because they have some stuff coming up in the summer. And I'm gonna show some of my nieces. I'm gonna show some of my nieces on social media. You understand? Yes. I'll be like, yeah, make you guys see them. And know I feel laugh off of that the idiot that was sitting in their car and I can talk about me. Want to look like her? You must be sick out of your mind.
Please.
Yeah, that's the.
I'll pass, thank you.
Pass million times. But anyways, me they come out here for this today.
No.
Me come out here for encourage my beautiful queens with their big chested queens. Love yourself. You understand? And not just for the big chested queens, whether you're flat chested, yes, no matter if you have like a pebbles, no matter medium, just love yourself. Just love you and be confident in who you are, okay? Let no one make you feel inferior.
Correct.
You understand? And no one should be able to make you feel inferior without your consent. Our girl can get up and say whatever she wants about me. As long as me not believe that, it's useless.
Yep.
It's redundant.
Yep.
You understand? Enough time I come out here and I talk, and when me in a film passion, me will want to mix up a part one. Sometimes I'm not even conscious. Me go back and watch my video and me like, why the hell did I say that word? Because I know me place the word wrong. Me know a right word and it slip out the wrong way. You understand? And people will get up and talk. Them can't even pronounce them word or whatever. You don't only dream for be as smart as me. You understand? Yes.
Right.
Don't make you fool you. Don't you make you fool you. Yeah? Don't make all me chat fool you. Yeah? Don't make all me chat fool you. Yeah.
Smart.
Don't let it fool you.
We are smart.
Well, we over here saw them too, yeah?
We're smart.
Don't make me fool you. Don't make you fool you. We might not come out come brag. But this is education where we have and that the education and what we do or whatever.
No need.
No need to. And we're not do that.
And we're not going to prove
it. And any other word them come out.
Yep,
yes.
and we're not going to
Once me I say it from a good heart, and me I say it sincerely, however I want come out, it come
Plain
out.
and simple.
Plain and simple.
Point
me
blank,
not prove
period.
nothing to no girl on the internet. Nothing. Nothing. Not a thing. Not a thing. Yes, keep on in a suspense.
Nothing.
Make no wonder.
Yep.
Yes. Nothing. nothing.
Yep.
I'll tell you about my God all day long.
Right.
That's it. Big up on yourself.
Let me ask you a question. Why? My back hurt me. And they're not even real.
Right. All this I want to sit down here, sir. Computer genius. This is sit down here, sir. When you can get Vanilla any number and she get answer. Any maths. She get answer without even using a calculator.
You know,
right
let me tell you a story. So
yeah.
when my kids were growing up, I always taught my kids to calculate things in their head. So my son had a teacher, and he just went in, and you know, the teacher wanted them to show the answers, and he just went and wrote the answer. And she thought he cheated, and I'm like, look, I have to take the blame for that because I taught my kids to calculate in my head. I got that from my mother.
In their head, not your head.
In their head, yeah, in their head. I taught them how to.
You see how that come out? I mean, know what you mean. But because you talk to the camera, you talk to people. That's what happened. You understand?
Yeah. I taught them
in
how
her
to
head,
think.
so she talk to her. Yeah.
Yeah. How to
just
think, how to
work.
think, how to calculate things in their head.
Don't you sit down and underestimate me. Yes.
My mother was the same way.
The day you do that, you lose big time. Yeah.
I can go to the store and buy groceries and say, okay, I'm going to spend X amount of money, and I will come within pennies of spending X amount of money.
You understand? We're not brag about nothing in our life. We're just humble people. And we're not to come out here come brag.
Just we are who we are.
People know who know. You understand? Who know. Who no know.
Hey, now they're welcome. It's our first time.
Yes, welcome. Who know, who no know. That's it.
Right.
And we not have to make everybody know.
Nope.
The one and only up above know. And that's all that matters.
That's all that counts.
That's all that counts. You understand?
Yeah.
Big up on yourself, love on the guys. And there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. We'll catch you guys back here on Sunday, alright?
Yes.
For praise and worship. Yes, pray for way that the storm no make our power go out or anything like that. We're supposed to get the storming all weekend, alright?
Yes.
So hopefully we not have no power loss, outage or anything, you know, and we can come on Sunday, alright? Bless you guys. God bless each and every one of you guys. Thank you for coming to see about us.
Thank you for joining us tonight.
Open up, have fun with a little titty game because we always try to come make on a laugh, yeah? That's what it's all about. Laugh about it. Yeah, we're not sit down and cry or cuss about it. We just laugh about it. Huh? Love you guys.
Love you guys.
Good
Have
night.
a blessed night. Take care of yourself.
Yes,
We'll
if
see
my
you
auntie
next
Ann and I yell her up for me coming, I gotta get for going for the rest of the night. All right, I have some stuff to do. All right, big her up. Take charge yourself and big her up. Yeah. You know she don't pay attention to comment.
No.
I would tell her to call with him. So, yeah, but anytime she see me, I'm show up out here. Good morning, chocolate and vanilla and everyone else on the line.
Yes. Yes.
Because you know what, come on.
And we tell Chris to call with him too, and Chris will do the same thing. Hey, chocolate and vanilla.
I love her to pieces, let me tell you. She's the best. I love her. Big up yourself, Stacey. Yeah, I'm going to see you tonight. Well, big up yourself.
Big up yourself.
Stacey Cameron. Oh, and before you guys leave, we always forget. Because we don't do business on here, so we always forget. But we did these for you guys, our audience. So we have to try to remember. We have our slides them back in stock. This is the green. The green and tan, yes. And blue. This is the chocolate and vanilla slides. So you guys can have something for us, all right? So if you want to purchase them, a pair, just reach out to us. This is the tan, all right? We have from size 7 to 12, okay? We have them back in stock. We sold out, and now they're back in stock. So here is the white. This is the white. Can you see? Can they see it? It looks like they can. Because it's white. That is the white.
I think if I hold it like that, they can see it.
Yeah, that's the white right there. Now they can see it.
Yeah.
So we have the white back in stock. We have all 3 colors back in stock. The tan. This is the one.
Here's the black.
Here's the black one. This is the one the Planka Boss has. Yeah. This is like the popular one.
Yes.
I love the white. Oh, it's my favorite. Maybe because I love white. Yeah. Outfit and stuff. Yeah. This is the black and the blue. Yes. So if you guys want to purchase a pair, you can just reach out to us in WhatsApp. Our number is pinned at the bottom, all right? And we'll give you more information on how you can get you one.
Yep.
All right, see?
They're comfortable.
They're very lightweight and very comfy. Yeah, Stacy, she's such a sweet girl. Stacy, she's so supportive.
So supportive.
Yeah, she is so supportive. Yeah, she call me, make sure we're not getting back on her outfit.
Yes, don't sell mine.
Yes.
You need to make sure I get.
Yes. So, yeah, so feel free to reach out to us if you would like a pair and to have something from chocolate and vanilla. All right? Thank you guys so much, and thanks to everybody who have supported us so far.
Yes,
we
thank you so
appreciate
much.
you guys. We take none of it for granted. We're humbled and we're grateful, and thank you guys so very much. All right? God bless each and every one of you on here tonight, and come see.
Jeanette said she bought all 3.
Yes, she did. Thank you so much, Jeanette. Thank you for your support.
Yes, thank
all
you
right?
so much.
Thank you.
Again.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you
all
for
right?
all the star senders. We don't always remember to say it. So
we don't always see it till afterwards. Yes. But
or sometimes a comment, it might pop up at the top, but the comment is gone, so we don't know who did it.
Right. But we appreciate. Don't think we just, they don't care. No, we appreciate it because we give it back in credits to our supporters.
Yes.
So thank you so much. All right. Thank you. We appreciate it.
Yes, Michelle bought too. Yes.
And Michelle bought too. Thank you so much. Thank you, Michelle.
Reach
Thank
out
you,
to us
everybody.
and we'll give you more information.
Yes, everybody that bought. Thank you so
guys
much.
We
if you want us, we don't post people unless we get the okay to do so. We're never going to take it upon ourselves to just post you if you send us a picture of you wearing it. We don't do that because we don't want to violate your privacy. Not unless you tell us, chocolate and vanilla, you can post us. We won't just take it upon ourselves to do so, because we had folks who bought the bonnets, and we still have a couple bonnets left, not a lot. But they sent us like videos and pictures wearing the bonnet, and we just kept them for ourselves to look at, and they're so nice. And we don't take it upon ourselves to post them because they didn't tell us that we could. So we're not going to do it. But if you want us to, just tell us that you want us to post it. We'll post it. Yeah, all right?
Yeah, so for more information, reach out to us on the number.
You want one, Nadine? Okay, just reach out to us at the number that's posted on the bottom. All right? These are great for summer and spring. These are great sandals for vacation, lightweight. You know what I mean? They're cute with shorts and they're cute with skirts. They're cute with leggings. They're really cute, nice and comfortable. Yes. And don't just take it from us. Talk to people who have bought them. That's the reaction we kept getting, that they're very comfortable and light. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Good night, Heather Samuel. Good night. Good night, Laurel Murray. Good evening. Good night. We're getting ready to leave. Yes. So for everybody that missed the live, just go rewind and go back because we gotta go. All right. Yes. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful night. Good night.
Thank you guys for joining us. Love you. Bye bye. Good night.